Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install LLVM 17 compiler on Kali Linux 2023.4 operating system. So LLVM 17 compiler is a higher version as of now in Kali Linux repository. So we are going to install LLVM 17 compiler. So already LLVM 16 and 15 are available. So parallelly we are going to install LLVM 17. So before installing, log into the terminal as a root user. Okay, and this is the command to install LLVM 17 compiler. Apt install clang-17, clang-format-17, clang-tidy-17, clang-tools-17, clang-d-17. So this will install new and additional packages. If you are okay with, proceed with installation. So make sure that you have a fast internet connection in order to download and install the packages. So there will be separate folder will be created for each version of LLVM compiler. So parallelly you can install multiple versions of LLVM. Okay, so already 15 and 16 Clang LLVM 15 and 16 are installed. So now I am installing LLVM 17. Yes, so installation is completed. So Clang, press tab button. Clang tab, yeah. See here multiple commands are there. You can see that already Clang 15 and 16 are already installed. Now I have installed 17. So all the commands ending with -17 belongs to LLVM 17. Okay. So default version is pointing to LLVM 16. Okay, keep in mind default version is LLVM 16. So higher version is LLVM 17 as of now. So this is the command to run the LLVM 17, clang-17, clang++-17. Okay, I am clearing the old output files. Now I am going to run the C and C++ program. Okay, first I am going to compile and run C program. So it is to print the welcome message. Yes, it's a very simple program only. Now I am going to compile and run C++ program. So this is the command to compile the C++ program using LLVM 17 compiler. Yes, I can able to compile. Let me run. Yes, so I can able to compile and run C and C++ program using LLVM 17 compiler. Okay, now I am going to show you how to compile using -h option. So this is the command clang-17-h will give you the output like this, which means that what are the header files used by the program. So same thing I can do for C++ also. So C++ you can see lots of header files are loaded for a single C++ program. Okay, lot of header files are loaded in memory stack, and all the header files are located under usr/include. So you can see C and C++ header files. For C++ separate folder is there, and for LLVM you can see separate folders are created for LLVM compilers. So no need to worry about. So you can install n number of LLVM compiler without any issues. It will run. So we are succeeded with the LLVM 17 compiler installation on Kali Linux 2023.4.